Katie again from the Long Island Explorium. So today I wanted to show you some of the land cover maps that have been produced by scientists working with satellites. Okay, so here we are in 2001. You can see down here we've got the key showing you what each of the colours is standing for. So let's have a look and see what we can spot. So in red for urban and built up areas, you can see the big cities down the east and the west coast of the States. Over here we've obviously got the Sahara Desert, so marked as barren, not a lot of vegetation going on there. And then in contrast, we've got the Amazon rainforest, so evergreen broadleaf forests, lots of that over here. So because these satellites are constantly taking measurements, we can see a land cover map for every year. And let's actually skip forward a decade to 2011 and see if we can spot any differences. So one thing that immediately jumps out at me is how much further north the vegetation has grown over those 10 years. So that's evidence of a changing climate if ever I saw it. You can also see the rainforest is being nibbled into down here. So if I move it on 10 years, we see the little bites being taken out of it. And the croplands here are extending to the west over that time. I could spend hours playing spot the difference with those maps. I'll put the link in the info so you can have a look for yourself. So, as I've said before, the data you take of land cover is super important because you're observing on a different scale. While the satellites are monitoring global changes, you are in the perfect position to observe local changes to your environment. To give you an example, every pixel added by Team Explorium to the land cover map has shown an area of mostly vegetation, but the land they've been observing has been mostly designated as urban by the satellites because of the lower resolution of their images. So we're adding valuable new information. Comparisons between ground and satellite observations are also really important for improving accuracy. I don't know about you, but I suspect it's easier to spot if a forest is broadleafed or needle-leafed when you're standing in that forest than from 700 kilometres above. So if your data and the satellite data agree, that will help improve the accuracy of the maps in the areas people can't easily get to on foot. So keep taking your data, and I will see you soon.